guys, in this video I'll show you how to make pancakes. They're so easy to make and perfect for breakfast. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for the dry ingredients, mix flour and baking powder together. So for the wet ingredients, take 1 egg and add some sugar into it. Now add a pinch of salt into the batter. Now pour 3/4 cup milk. To this, add some oil. Now it's time to mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. So for that, gradually add the wet mixture into the dry mixture. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Now it's time for adding some vanilla. Grease the pan with some butter. Now add about half a cup of batter into the pan. Now let it cook for a minute. When you are able to see tiny bubbles on the batter, it means that it's time to flip. Now enjoy our pancakes with some butter and honey. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, click the subscribe button.